होप दैट यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट एंड आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं वो बहुत ही स्पेशल है और मैंने कभी उम्मीद नहीं की थी मैंने जब जर्नी स्टार्ट की थी कि मैं एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड होल्डर के साथ में लाइव सेशन करने वाला हूँ। हेलो, गुड इवनिंग सर, हाउ आर यू?
Good evening. I'm fine, Harsh. How are you doing?
आई एम ऑल्सो ग्रेट, थैंक यू फॉर द कंसर्न। और सर सबसे पहले मैं आपको थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूँ कि आपने अपना वैल्यूबल टाइम निकाल कर इस हमारे लाइव सेशन में आए और आपने हमारे यूथ को इंस्पायर किया।
Thank you. That is my pleasure to be on your show.
थैंक यू सर। तो सर कह सकते हैं कि अभी ये जो आप एरोप्लेन में बैठ चुके हैं और मैं आपको एक एडवाइस देना चाहता हूँ कि आप एक सीट बेल्ट पहन लीजिए और आपको जो पहाड़ है वो आपके ऊपर आने वाला है।
Sure, sure. I'm ready. All set already.
या एंड सर वैसे तो सर आपको कोई इंट्रोडक्शन की आवश्यकता नहीं है, पर हमारे जो व्यूअर्स हैं उनकी एक दिली इच्छा है कि आप अपने बारे में चंद शब्द कहें और इस सुनहरी शाम में चार चांद लगा दीजिए।
Sure. I am usually called as a man who has his own weather. एक आदमी जिसके खुद का weather हो या फिर someone who has his own atmosphere or environment. I am the world's youngest publisher, author of 3 best-selling books, and turned senior editor of 10 plus best-selling titles, a fiction and a non-fiction mentor, and founder of Endgame Publishing House. So this is the introduction or a short introduction about myself.
या श्योर सर। और सर अभी मैं थोड़ा सा एक और डीप लेवल क्वेश्चन मैं आपको पूछना चाहता हूँ कि जब आपने ये जर्नी शुरू की थी तो सर आपको मोटिवेशन कहाँ से मिला था और आपने ये जर्नी कब स्टार्ट की उसके बारे में हमें
See,
थोड़ा सा।
I started my journey. The main reason why I started my journey is जब हम लोग 9th और 10th classes में होते हैं तब the majority of us are trying to fit in a group. We are trying to fit in a group which may or may not be ours, or say that we may or may not fit into. So I also had a group of friends and I always used to get into that for validation. कि yes, if they are validating me, I am something or something like that. And amidst all that, I just forgot who I am and I always started pleasing people around, stating that if they are happy then I might stay happy, and because of that I was totally stressed with myself. And that was the day, that was the time when I started YouTubing, just like you but not like you exactly, but I started YouTubing. I started making videos on YouTube, which well about like 9th and 10th classes I did it, but did not go that well. But obviously it gave me so many good experiences, and from there I started my journey of finding what I'm really interested in. So after being a YouTuber for 2 years, I did not get much success, or say that I did not have enough number of subscribers to actually motivate me. And then I started reading books. So as I started reading books, I was inspired by the way the words were written on the book, and then I wrote my first book. So this is how I went in this industry, the publishing industry, and then there's like you can follow up a few questions, and then I can reveal the whole journey of being just a book author to the world's youngest publisher.
Yeah, and sir, I would like to thanks one more that you provided a great insight for this for from your journey. So my next question is that whenever we start any journey, we face many of the problems. I would like to tell myself also, and whenever I started my journey, I was not able to face the camera. But after improving and after taking more and more steps to improving my self confidence and all that, I was able to take more than 25 plus interviews and including IPS officer, excise officers, and many of the
That
motivation.
is applaudable. That is commendable. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. It is nothing else but due to your all powerful blessings, nothing else.
Excellent.
Sure, sir. So, my next question is that whenever we start any journey, we face many of the problems. And I would like to ask the same question to you that when you started your journey, you have faced many of the problems, and how did you overcome the problems?
The major problem I faced was जब मैंने first book launch की थी तब I did not go for editing or proofreading. I did not get my book edited and proofread, and I directly went for getting printed around 250 copies of my book. Well, I sold around 200 copies within the 6 months, but most of the readers told me that book में बहुत सारी गलतियां हैं, there is grammatical errors, there is spelling mistakes, book is not good at all, and you being an author is just so embarrassing to the whole author industry. I heard such words behind my back, and they were all like, "You just better leave this industry. You're not made for this. You don't deserve to have the title," or anything like that. So that was the time when I actually faced a big obstacle of people, because I was just 17 around and I was not open to this harsh criticism. like being 17 and then having so much of harsh criticism. The reason why I launched my book in 16, but because of the criticism, I literally wasted 1 year of my life, that is 17. When I was 17, I really did nothing much, but was focusing upon how to balance that criticism and get to the best. So I think this is the major challenge I faced, the criticism from people, which after all, now you know that I have edited around best 10 best-selling titles. I edit books and yes, that is it.
श्योर सर। और सर आपने जो बात कही कि 17 साल की उम्र में आपने 17 साल की एज में आपने खुद की बुक लिखी, तो सर
16,
एक
16, not 17, 16.
एक और साल हम कम करते हैं तो सर 16 साल की उम्र में यहाँ पर जो हमारे देश में जो बच्चे होते हैं वो या यूट्यूब पर वीडियोस नहीं बनाते, या तो यूट्यूब पर पूरा दिन ऐश करते हैं और दोस्तों के साथ गप्पे लगाते हैं। और सर मेरे लिए भी एक प्राउड मोमेंट है कि आज मैं एक 16 साल के लड़के के साथ ही इंटरव्यू कर रहा हूँ, नॉट ए 19 ईयर ओल्ड बॉय।
Excellent.